Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Activity Monitor now, press Command Space, type Activity Monitor, and hit Enter. Once Activity Monitor appears, make sure you grant accessibility or full disk permissions if Mac OS asks. This lets you see and control more processes. You should use an admin account so you can terminate services when needed. Once done, glance at the CPU tab to see real-time usage, and note any process consuming excess. You now analyze and target the problematic process. Sort the list by CPU, memory, or energy to find outliers. This gives you the fastest clue about what's wrong. Once you spot one, select it and click the Info button to sample or inspect open files and threads. This explains why it's taxing the system. Make sure to use the search box to filter by name or PID for precision. If it's a helper app, check parent processes to understand the chain. You finish by terminating or recovering processes safely. First, choose Quit to request a graceful shutdown. If that fails, choose Force Quit. If Activity Monitor cannot stop a stubborn process, open Terminal and run kill PID, or as a last resort sudo kill -9 PID. Once done, verify system responsiveness and relaunch affected apps. If quitting or killing doesn't solve it or core processes misbehave, reboot into safe mode to isolate startup items. This is the key troubleshooting step if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.